and welcome to another edition of Old Mac's Nuggets, a Brian's Heating and Air Conditioning podcast, where we get on here and we talk about common questions that the homeowner might have about their heating and air conditioning. My name is Brooklyn, and I'm here with Brian Nacarado, the owner and president of Brian's Heating and Air Conditioning. How are you doing today?
I'm really good, Brooklyn. How are you doing?
Doing wonderful. Hope everyone else is out there as well.
So, Brooklyn, what can I help you with today?
Well, I want to learn about what you should do when you're moving to a new home and you're moving to a new environment, new HVAC system that you don't know. What should you have done?
Well, good question. So, in many cases, when a home is being sold or purchased, a home inspection is done on that house. Now, not always, but in many cases it is. And one of the things that the home inspectors are trained for is to be able to evaluate the entire structure of the house and its functionality. And one of those things happens to be the heating and cooling system. And so they may, in a lot of cases, it's more of a visual inspection, not so much a deep dive into how everything is functioning. There have been times over the years where someone may call us where they are selling their home and they have had a home inspector out, and maybe there was some concerns or issues with something, and we always tell the customer, make sure you have a copy of that home inspector's report so that we can make sure we address everything that he has concerns with. And we may go out and make those repairs to their system so that the new buyers that are buying the home can be satisfied that everything's up to snuff.
So if I'm in the process of buying a home and I don't know if that's been done or not, would it be beneficial for me to bring an HVAC guy out to check everything out before closing, or should I just wait till after closing?
So that's a good question, because we have actually had customers that were looking at the potential of purchasing a different home, and they had some concerns. Maybe the age of the HVAC system was to where they were worried about it or concerned about the functionality and the longevity of that system. And so there have been times where they may actually pay us and have us come out and take a look at the system, even though they've not signed on the dotted line yet. They've not purchased that home, but before they purchase the home, they're willing to invest a little bit of money to find out what kind of condition is that system in.
Okay, that makes sense. So after I get a clean bill of health on my new HVAC system, or almost new HVAC system, would it be a good idea to get continual maintenance on that, or is it something I can just leave and do your thing?
Yeah. Heating and air conditioning systems require maintenance, and we are checking performance and efficiency of that system. Many times we may head off problems, minor problems, before they become big problems by doing maintenance. And one of the things that I kind of equate this to, the other day I was having a discussion with someone about a new system. Well, a new system needs maintenance on it just like an old system does. Think about it this way. Well, I just bought a new car. Does that mean I don't have to change the oil for 3 years? So new furnaces, new air conditioners, they're going to get dirty. They need to be cleaned. They need to be maintained just as much as an old system does.
That makes sense. All right.
Well, that's all we have this week, folks. And just remember, if you don't know which way the toilet paper goes on the holder, you might be part of the problem. Until next time, Old Mac out.